the meantime also talk about another controversy, because this is what President of the Congress Party, Mallikarjun Kharge, said. And this seems to be a remark that he made during a political address in Assam and a speech in Neelam Bazar, which has now triggered a full-blown political showdown. Addressing a rally, Mallikarjun Kharge seems to have used the Quran analogy to say that if a poisonous snake appears even during a prayer, it must be stopped. And then he's likened that to the RSS and the BJP to that threat, saying that people must eliminate them if they want to stay safe.
मैं सुना कि आप यहाँ पर बहुत से मुसलमान और हिंदू भाई भी बैठे हैं। अगर कोई इस जहरीला सांप आपके सामने से गुजर रहा है और आप नमाज भी पढ़ रहे हैं, नमाज तोड़ के उस जहरीली सांप को मारना, ये कुरान में कहा है। और मैं यही कहूंगा, आपका नमाज तोड़ने तो परवाह नहीं, ये जहरीला सांप है आरएसएस और बीजेपी, इसको अगर आप नहीं मारेंगे आप कभी बचेंगे नहीं।
Now let's talk about the counter which is coming in from the BJP side, calling the remarks to be dangerous, divisive and provocative, accusing the Congress of inciting hostility for votes.
ये आईएनसी इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस नहीं, ये आईजेसी इंडियन जिहादी कांग्रेस बन चुकी है। जिस प्रकार से मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को अपील करने के लिए उन्हें सीधे सीधे भड़का रहे हैं कि बीजेपी आरएसएस एक जहरीला सांप है और जहां दिखे मार दीजिए, ये पहली बार नहीं है और ये संयोग से दिया हुआ स्टेटमेंट नहीं है। ये शुद्ध रूप से हत्या करवाने का अपने राजनीतिक विरोधियों का। राजनीति में और लोकतंत्र में मतभेद हो सकते हैं, परंतु मनभेद होना और उस पर आप भड़काते हैं किसी को और कहते हैं कि अपने राजनीतिक विरोधियों की हत्या कर दो, उनको एलिमिनेट कर दो, उनकी सुपारी देते हैं, उन्हें मरवाने के लिए आप उनको उकसाते हैं, वो भी रिलीजियस ग्राउंड पर। ये जिहादी सोच है और आज कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पहली बार ऐसा नहीं किया है। कांग्रेस के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष खड़गे जी ने इससे पहले भी बीजेपी आरएसएस को और प्रधानमंत्री को जहरीला सांप, विषैला सांप, रावण इस प्रकार से कहकर उनके खिलाफ हिंसा भड़काने की बात की है। कांग्रेस ने
Well, let's connect with Kritika on this. Kritika, good morning. This is the usual political discourse that is witnessed as the elections are due. However, the snake analogy on BJP RSS has been made before by the senior Congress party leader.
Well, clearly the Bharatiya Janata Party has now termed all of these, in fact, incitements as clear evidence of hostility on part of the Congress Party, with BJP leaders also saying that this is done with the motive of nothing but to appease Muslim votes. This is what the Bharatiya Janata Party is now saying. Remember, these remarks came in at a public rally at Neelam Bazar by none other than Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge himself, wherein he invoked the religious, in fact, reference as well over how a namazi, if they see a poisonous snake approach them, can halt their prayer and kill that snake too. This analogy has been directly given and in fact equated with the elimination of BJP and RSS in the state of Assam. We're also seeing that earlier on as well, Rahul Gandhi was also quite, in fact, critical of the Assam Chief Minister of Himanta Biswa Sarma as well, calling him the most dangerous, communal as well as the most corrupt Chief Minister in Assam's history as well. And now we are seeing Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge also take this allegation further and in fact apply this to the entirety of the BJP RSS cadre. Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party in its response have likened the Congress Party's statements to those of urban Naxals, to those of jihadi as well. So definitely,
yes, we played out that reaction and the counter that has come in from the BJP side to this reaction coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge, the Congress Party president. But as I said, this seems to be the usual political discourse that is, often witnessed when elections are due, and we're just waiting 2 days away from the first vote that is now cast in these 5 states. Thank you, Kritika, for that update. In the meantime, the incitement that is not coming in